Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, incredibly proud to be able to show you today this brand new Range Rover Sport, available here in a rare SV Edition 1 gloss and powered by a 4.4 litre V8 engine with a whopping 630 PS of power and finish in Obsidian black gloss finish. In the front, you can enjoy the benefit of these digital LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, whilst around the side, optionally upgraded 23-inch full duotone Satin-Gloss alloy wheels will really stand out. In the rear, sequential LED taillights will offer your Range Rover a distinctive look when travelling in the evening, as well as this carbon fibre front grille and side air vents will really uplift the sporty credentials. This model even benefits from optionally upgraded sliding panoramic sunroof, which will come in handy during the summer months, as well as a power-operated liftgate with keyless entry and start, revealing a modern practical load area for all your weekly shopping needs or luggage for weekends away. Inside the cabin, the Cinder Grey Ebony perforated Ultrafabrics seats are an absolute joy to use and feature 2-zone climate control, as well as a Meridian sound system for your rear passengers. Whilst in the front, the decorative door and dash inserts will continue, with these upgraded front seats as well offering 16-way heated cooling functionality with massage function. The driver will certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped heated multifunction steering wheel operating the interactive driver display, as well as head-up display projected onto the windscreen. In the center of the console, you also have got this 13.1-inch PV Pro connected touchscreen, which will have everything you would want at your fingertips. 2-zone climate control system for the front with heated and cooled front seats, as well as bespoke drive modes unlocking the full potential of the 4-wheel drive system. Built-in satellite navigation will ensure you never get lost, with the AB digital radio reception to find your favorite stairs. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto projection is also available, whilst the body and soul seats can really be unlocked here, and they really must be tried out, especially with the sensory audio function. If that wasn't enough, front seats will also benefit from 5-stage of massage functionality, which will come in handy for those of you spending a lot of time on the road. Dynamic eye functionality will allow you to select the feel and the drive of the car as well. Other great functionality will also incorporate the multicolor ambient lighting I mentioned earlier and choose from your very own color as well. A number of driver assist functions will also be on offer to protect you and your occupants at all times. To help you park, don't worry, as you will always have a 3D surround parking camera on offer, giving you visibility all around the vehicle. Lower down the cabin, wireless induction charger can be found, as well as prominent SV Edition 1 badging and a digital review mirror. Overhead, there are also easy controls, as well as this suede headlining is an absolute joy to look at and touch as well. This has been a presentation of the brand new Range Rover Sport SV Edition 1 gloss that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information, get in touch with us today.